Okay, so hello. In this topic, we are going to discuss stable marriage. In this video, rather, I'm going to discuss about stable marriage. So last time we have discussed about Huffman encoding, fractional knapsack, and what else? Activity selection. Okay, so stable marriage is another example of a greedy algorithm. So here's a quote. So when you think that all hopes are lost, so think again. So how do we deal with a stable marriage? So we make use of the Gale Shapley algorithm in which we marry men and women in pairs. So we have this set of inputs. We have a set M and also set W. So M would be containing um, a set of males and the women, or a set W would be containing the names of the women. And then our uh, output would be the pairs of the men and then the woman. So how does it work? So for each individual, for each man in the group of men. So each of them will be ranking the opposite sex in the order of preference. And then one of the two sets is chosen to make proposal. So it could be either that the man will be making the proposal, or it could be that the women will be making the proposal. So one individual from the proposing group who is not already engaged will propose to the most preferable option who has not already rejected them. So the person being proposed will either accept if this is their first offer, if they are not yet engaged to one person. So reject the offer if it is worse than their current offer, and then accept if this is better than their current offer. So, to put it simply, so this is how it works. So we have a group of men. Let's say you have Freeman, Edmund, Muncie, and then Otani. And then for women, we have Joy, Abby, Carla, and then Kira. Okay, so uh, we each of the individual will be listing the opposite sex in the order of preference. So in the case of Freeman, for example, yung pinaka-prefer niya na babae ay si Abby, followed by Joy, Carla, and then Kira. So Kira yung last na um, preference niya, tapos ang uh, pinaka-prefer niya si Abby. So same with the women. So for example, itong si Joy, ang pinaka-prefer niya ay si Freeman, and then ang least na prefer niya ay si Otani. Okay? So, how are we going to apply the Gill-Shapley algorithm? So, yung goal natin is that given this men and then women, each having their preferences. So, imamatch natin ang isang man at isang imamatch natin ang men and women. So, we are going to be ending with four pairs. Okay, so this is how the Gill-Shapley algorithm works. So we assign each person to be free at first, meaning they are not yet engaged to anyone. So while let's say yung proposing na group dito would be the group of men. So yung man yung magpo-propose, and then women will be accepting the proposal or not. So it's a bit sexist, but just okay. We can have the considerations later. So anyway, so we assign each person to be free, and while some man M is free, we continue this block of code. So W will be the first woman on the M's list to whom M has not yet proposed. So if the woman is still free, then we assign M and W to be engaged to each other. Otherwise, if the woman is no longer free, we can check if that woman prefers that man who just proposed to be her fiance, then and to be her fiance, M prime, then assign M and W to be engaged, and then ang man na previously naka-fiance ni woman, magiging free na siya. Kumbaga, iiwanan siya ni girl. Tapos else, if hindi naman niya prefer yung nagpo-propose sa kanya, then i-reject niya lang. Tapos and M remains to be free. So, since na ni-reject siya, he will look at the next na girl in his list or in his preference na list, and then titingnan ulit kung free or hindi yung girl na yon. Okay? So we are going to output the stable matching consisting of the n engaged na pair. So n engaged pair. So if we have four women and four men, so we will be ending up with four pairs as well. Okay? So para mas maintindihan niyo, let's have this example na lang. Okay? So again, ito yung mga preferences ni Freeman, Edman, Muncy, and then Otani. And then in order of decreasing siya. So meaning, pinaka-prefer for example ni Freeman si Abby, and then least niya si Kira, and then same with the women as well. So we start with the first man. So si Freeman. So yung first na nasa list ni Freeman is Abby. So, and if we look at Abby is not yet engaged to anyone. So, hindi pa siya, wala pa nakapag-propose kay Abby. So, now, since na wala pa siyang proposal, so we set Abby and Freeman to be engaged now. Okay? Next is that we move to another man. So, Edman likes Kira the most. So, and then if we look at Kira is not yet engaged to anyone. So, Kira will be accepting Edman's proposal. Okay, so now Kira and Edman would be engaged. Now we move to Muncy. So Muncy likes Joy the most. And then apparently si Joy hindi pa engaged to anyone then. So Joy accepts Muncy. Okay? Next we move to Otani. So si Otani, type niya din si Abby. So however, Abby was previously engaged to Freeman already. Pero kung titingnan natin dito, si Otani, si Otani ay mas prefer ni Abby compared kay Freeman. So, yung gagawin ni Abby ay iiwanan niya si Freeman, and now she will be engaged to Otani. So now, if Freeman is back to being single, so, magiging free na ulit si Freeman. O, di ba? That's fun. Okay, now, since na-engage na si Edman man si Otani, we go back to Freeman. So, si Freeman, previously na-reject na siya ni Abby. So, hindi na siya magta-try ulit. So, next is check siya if Joy is already engaged. So, kasi si Joy yung next um, na preference, next sa preference ni Freeman. So if we look at Joy though, Joy was previously engaged to Mansi. Pero kung titingnan natin, Freeman is actually the first on the list or sa pinaka-prefer ni Joy. So what Joy will do is i-accept niya si Freeman. Tapos si Mansi, magiging alone na siya. So si Mansi, maghanap ulit siya ng ibang girl. So, si Mansi, ang sa next niya is sa list niya is si Carla. So now, if we look at Carla, Carla is not yet engaged to anyone. So, Carla will be accepting Mansi's proposal. So, essentially, ayun na-match na natin silang lahat. So, si Freeman is engaged to Joy. So Edman is engaged to Kira. So Mansi paired to Carla, and then si Otani is paired with Abby. So we already have four pairs in total. Okay? So, ayun, very easy. So again, to conclude, so all should be stable, all should have a pair, and we just look for the most preferred one. So don't worry because for every there will be someone out there for you, so you will have a partner at the very least. Okay, so that's all for stable marriage.